So in this video I'll be explaining how I managed to arrive at the surface area of a cone. So what I did was to do the net of a cone. So the net of a cone results into these two shapes, the cone itself, and this is the base of the cone. So is a circle. So first thing I did was to find the area of the area formula of the cone itself, which is the pi r line height. So is the height and the radius. So this is the height and this is the radius. So what I did again was to find the area of this circle. So the area of this circle is equals to pi r squared. So for the pi r squared, so the r is for radius, so the radius it's like this, because yeah, the area is like this of a circle. So this is our r. So for the surface area is the sum of these areas. So it's pi r line height plus pi r squared.